This video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem where your phone just flashing the logo. Well, it can be different reasons as to why your phone is stuck on the logo. It can be a system issue. It can be a battery issue as well. Battery doesn't have enough power to power on the device. It can also be a power button problem where your power button is stuck or malfunctioning. So as you can see, this phone is just vibrating, powering off, powering on, powering off, powering on. And so far I have already figured out the problem. So I took down the back of the device and I removed the top piece along with the screws. And to get the phone turned on, all we have to do is to remove the motherboard from the power button strip. So this is the power button, this is the strip. The strip is under the motherboard. So what we need to do is to just raise the motherboard up, and once the phone comes on, that will determine if we have a bad power button. So the best way for me to raise the motherboard up is by getting an access point to raise it up. Let's start at this end. Bear in mind, power is passing through the motherboard, so still need to be careful. Right, the phone should come on. Let me focus the camera. You can see the connection here for the power button, and as you can see the phone is turning on, so that's a good thing. The phone is on, problem is fixed, we need a new power button. Hope that this was helpful. Let me know in the comment section. Do like, share and subscribe.